If someone showed you these tools without proof, you'd say they're fake, but they exist. This is AU TechVerse, and today we're counting down 50 tools so good they don't seem real. Ergonomic Knee Support Tool. This knee support tool is made for people who work long hours on hard surfaces. It cushions your knees and spreads your body weight evenly, which reduces pain and pressure. Builders, mechanics, and DIY workers can kneel for much longer without feeling tired. The design keeps your knees stable and protected from rough ground. Once you use it, you quickly notice less strain in your joints. It's a simple tool, but it makes a huge difference in comfort and long-term health. Wood chipper/mulch machine. This wood chipper turns unwanted branches and wood waste into useful mulch in seconds. Instead of burning or throwing away branches, you can recycle them into material that helps gardens and soil. The machine pulls in wood smoothly and breaks it down efficiently. It's eco-friendly and practical at the same time. Watching solid branches turn into clean mulch is surprisingly satisfying. This tool helps keep forests cleaner and gardens healthier with very little effort. Automated Plant Care System. This smart plant care device takes care of watering and feeding plants automatically. It checks moisture levels and gives plants exactly what they need. Perfect for busy people or anyone who forgets to water regularly. Whether you're home or away, your plants stay healthy. It feels like science fiction, but it's real and easy to use. This tool removes guesswork from gardening and makes plant care stress-free. Inflatable Portable Lamp. This inflatable lamp is lightweight, compact, and very clever. It folds flat for storage and inflates in seconds when needed. Once inflated, it shines brightly and lights up large areas. It's perfect for camping, power cuts, or emergency kits. After use, it deflates and fits easily into a bag or pocket. This tool proves that lighting doesn't have to be bulky to be powerful. Grill Cleaning Tool. Cleaning a grill after cooking is usually messy and frustrating. This tool makes it quick and easy. It removes grease and burnt food without damaging the grill surface. With just a few passes, the grill looks clean again. No harsh scrubbing, no stress. It's one of those tools that instantly improves your cooking experience by removing the worst part of barbecuing. Professional Concrete Mixing Cart. This concrete cart mixes and pours concrete efficiently while reducing physical strain. Workers no longer need to lift heavy buckets or bend repeatedly. The cart moves smoothly and delivers concrete exactly where needed. It saves time, protects backs, and improves job speed. Builders love it because it turns a hard job into a smoother process. This tool is a real upgrade for construction work. Concrete Wall Chasing Tool. This powerful tool cuts clean channels through concrete walls for wiring and pipes. It works fast and creates precise grooves without unnecessary damage. The cutting feels smooth and controlled, even on tough surfaces. Professionals use it to save time and avoid messy manual work. Watching it slice through concrete looks unreal, almost like the wall isn't solid at all. Modular Multi-Head Tool System. This system uses one main body with many interchangeable heads. Swap the head, and the tool instantly changes function. It replaces several tools at once, saving space and money. Each attachment works like a specialist designed for that task. It's perfect for workshops and job sites where flexibility matters. This tool feels futuristic because of how much it can do with one simple system. Hydraulic Tree Cutting Tool. This tool grips a tree trunk firmly using hydraulic force and cuts from inside. The cutting process is smooth, controlled, and precise. It's safer and cleaner than traditional cutting methods. Watching it work feels like a performance rather than rough labor. This tool is used in professional forestry and shows how advanced tree cutting has become. Pallet Handling Master Tool. This pallet handling system moves heavy loads with speed and precision. Every movement is smooth and perfectly controlled. It's used by professionals who handle pallets daily. Watching it operate feels almost unreal because of how fast and accurate it is. This tool reduces effort, saves time, and improves safety in warehouses and industrial spaces. Pipe Bending Tool. This pipe bending tool makes shaping pipes simple and accurate. Instead of struggling with manual force, the tool bends pipes smoothly to the exact angle you need. The pipe stays round with no cracks or damage. Plumbers and builders use it to save time and avoid mistakes. Even beginners can get clean, professional bends on the first try. This tool turns what used to be a skilled task into something almost effortless. Smart Vine and Fence Trimmer. This smart trimmer is designed to keep vines and plants under control without damaging them. It neatly shapes grapevines, bushes, and fence plants, keeping everything tidy. The cutting is clean and precise, helping plants grow healthier. Gardeners love this tool because it saves time and keeps outdoor spaces looking organized. With this trimmer, fences stay clean and plants thrive instead of spreading everywhere. Roofing alignment tool. Roofing requires accuracy, and this tool ensures materials line up perfectly every time. It holds roofing elements steady while you work, reducing errors and saving effort. Roofers finish jobs faster and with better results. The final look is clean and professional. This tool removes guesswork from roofing and improves both safety and speed on the job. Tile and decorative brick cutting tool. This cutting tool delivers perfect cuts on tiles and decorative bricks. It works smoothly without chipping or cracking the material. Simple controls make it easy to use even for less experienced users. Builders and renovators rely on it for clean edges and precise shapes. This tool proves that quality results don't have to be complicated. Clean repotting planting mat. This special planting mat keeps soil exactly where it belongs. When repotting plants, dirt stays on the mat instead of your floor or windowsill. Cleanup becomes quick and easy. Gardeners enjoy cleaner workspaces and less mess. The mat folds up for storage and is ready whenever needed. It's a small tool that solves a very annoying problem. Precision measuring spoon tool. This measuring spoon looks simple, but it hides a clever feature. It measures exact amounts quickly and accurately. Seasoning food becomes faster and more consistent. No guessing, no uneven flavors. This tool is perfect for cooking and baking where precision matters. Simple design, surprising usefulness. High precision finishing tool. This tool is built for flawless finishing work. Every movement is smooth and controlled, producing clean and accurate results. It's used in detailed tasks where mistakes are not allowed. The final surface looks perfect every time. This tool doesn't need explanation, the results speak for themselves. Watching it work is enough to prove its precision. Micro precision drill. This tiny drill may look like a toy, but its precision is incredible. It drills very small, detailed holes with perfect control. Ideal for crafts, electronics, and delicate work. The drill is easy to handle and extremely accurate. It proves that size doesn't matter when it comes to performance. Creative high-power washing tool. This washing tool combines creative design with strong cleaning power. It handles dirt, grime, and stains on many surfaces. The water pressure is powerful but controlled, making cleaning easy and effective. Cars, patios, tools, and equipment look brand new after use. This tool turns washing into a quick and satisfying task. Laser glass cutting tool. This laser glass cutting tool works with amazing precision. It cuts glass smoothly into perfect shapes without cracks or rough edges. The laser follows exact lines, making every cut clean and accurate. Artists and designers love this tool because it turns glass cutting into an art form. Watching it work feels unreal, almost like magic. This tool is perfect for decorative glass, signs, and custom designs where detail really matters. Nail driving and pulling tool. This tool handles nails in both directions. It drives nails in firmly and pulls them out easily when needed. You don't need two separate tools anymore. Builders save time and work becomes smoother. The grip feels strong and secure, giving full control. Whether you're building something new or fixing a mistake, this tool makes nail work faster and more efficient. Cement application machine. Applying cement by hand takes a lot of time, but this machine changes everything. It spreads cement evenly and quickly across walls. What once took hours can now be done in minutes. The flow is smooth and the finish looks professional. Builders use it to save effort and speed up construction. This tool truly feels like a game changer on job sites. Plaster leveling tool. This plaster leveling tool makes wall finishing easy and comfortable. It glides smoothly across surfaces, spreading plaster evenly. The handle design reduces hand strain during long work sessions. The result is a flat, clean surface ready for painting. Professionals and DIY users love how it improves speed and quality at the same time. This tool turns messy plaster work into a satisfying process. Precision metal stamping machine. This machine stamps metal parts with incredible accuracy. Every piece comes out the same, clean and perfectly shaped. It applies strong pressure while keeping control. Used in factories, it produces high-quality parts again and again. Watching it work is impressive because of how perfect each result looks. This tool represents precision at its highest level. Automated production line system. This system runs non-stop, moving products smoothly through each stage. Every part of the line works together like a machine orchestra. Human involvement is minimal, and results stay consistent. It saves time, reduces errors, and increases output. This tool shows how automation is shaping modern manufacturing and making large-scale production more efficient than ever. Robotic labor machine. This robot performs tasks that once required human strength and focus. It moves accurately, never gets tired, and works continuously. The precision feels almost human. Builders and manufacturers use it to handle repetitive or heavy work. This tool shows how robots are slowly becoming trusted partners in industry. Rooftop Tent. This rooftop tent turns any vehicle into a comfortable camping space. It sets up quickly and keeps you off the ground. Perfect for travel lovers who want freedom and comfort. Camp on mountains, beaches, or anywhere you park. This tool makes adventure easier and more exciting without complicated setups. Plastic pipe cutting tool. This tool cuts plastic pipes cleanly and smoothly. No rough edges, no damage. The cut looks neat and professional every time. Plumbers love it because it saves time and reduces mistakes. Even simple pipe cutting feels satisfying with this tool. It turns a basic task into a clean, controlled process. Quick cleanup tool. This cleanup tool removes dirt, dust, and debris quickly. It's lightweight and easy to handle. Perfect for fast cleanups on job sites or at home. Instead of wasting time sweeping or wiping, this tool does the work efficiently. It's simple, practical, and surprisingly powerful. Wooden structure disassembly tool. Taking wooden structures apart usually causes damage, but this tool changes that. It separates boards cleanly without cracking or breaking them. Nails and joints come apart smoothly, allowing materials to be reused. Builders and renovators save time and reduce waste. Instead of destroying old structures, you can now dismantle them carefully and reuse the wood. This tool makes demolition smarter and more sustainable. High-pressure water display tool. This tool turns normal watering into a powerful water show. Streams shoot out with force and precision, creating a dramatic visual effect. It's both functional and mesmerizing to watch. Used for irrigation, cleaning, or demonstrations, it handles water in an impressive way. It proves that even simple resources like water can be used creatively with the right tool. OSB board precision cutter. Cutting OSB boards straight can be difficult, but this tool makes it easy. It guides the cut perfectly, producing clean, straight edges every time. Builders get faster results and less wasted material. The tool feels stable and controlled, even during long cuts. It's ideal for construction work where accuracy matters and time is limited. Professional Bosch drilling tool. This Bosch drilling tool delivers smooth, powerful drilling with ease. It feels balanced and controlled in the hand. No matter who uses it, the drill performs consistently. Holes come out clean and accurate, making work faster and more enjoyable. This tool shows why trusted brands matter in professional work. Magnetic pickup tool. This magnetic tool pulls metal objects toward it instantly. Screws, nails, and bolts jump to it as if magnetized by magic. It's perfect for tight spaces where fingers can't reach. Mechanics and DIY users love how it saves time and frustration. A small tool that solves a big problem. Internal pipe cleaning device. This device clears clogged pipes from the inside. It moves through the pipe and removes blockages without taking anything apart. Fast, clean, and effective. Plumbers use it to save time and avoid mess. This tool feels almost unreal because of how smoothly it fixes stubborn clogs. Robotic window cleaning tool. Cleaning windows no longer needs ladders or effort. This robot sticks to glass and cleans automatically. You simply turn it on and watch it work. It moves carefully and leaves glass spotless. Perfect for high windows in large buildings. This tool makes cleaning safer and stress-free. Tool restoration machine. Old tools look brand new again with this restoration machine. It cleans, polishes, and refreshes metal surfaces easily. Rust and wear disappear quickly. Workshops use it to extend tool life and improve appearance. Watching old tools come back to life is incredibly satisfying. This tool saves money and keeps equipment looking fresh. Advanced CNC crafting machine. This machine replaces manual work with extreme precision. It shapes materials exactly as programmed. Every cut is clean and accurate. Used in woodworking and metalworking, it creates perfect parts repeatedly. This tool represents the future of craftsmanship, where technology and creativity work together. Automatic button sewing machine. This machine sews buttons onto fabric in seconds. No hand stitching needed. It positions the button perfectly and finishes the job instantly. Clothing repair and production become much faster. Tailors and factories save time and effort. It's amazing how quickly it works, making it feel almost unreal. Fence lifting and support tool. Raising or adjusting a fence usually takes strength and extra help, but this tool makes it easy. It lifts fence panels smoothly and holds them in place while you work. This improves accuracy and reduces physical strain. Builders and homeowners can work alone without struggling. The tool feels stable and secure, turning a difficult task into a controlled and safe process. It's a smart solution for repairs and installations. Rotating saw, woodworking attachment. This rotating saw attachment changes how wood is cut and shaped. It allows smooth curved cuts and detailed designs that are hard to achieve with normal saws. Artists and woodworkers use it to create decorative patterns and fine details. The rotation gives better control and cleaner results. Watching it work feels like art in motion. This tool turns woodworking into a creative experience. Heavy lifting assistance tool. Lifting heavy objects can be exhausting and risky, but this tool reduces the effort needed. It uses leverage or mechanical support to lift loads safely. Workers feel less strain on their back and arms. It's ideal for construction, moving, and installation jobs. This tool makes heavy lifting safer and more manageable for everyone. High-speed dough rolling tool. Rolling dough by hand takes time, but this tool does it in seconds. It shapes dough evenly and quickly, perfect for baking and food preparation. Bakers save time and get consistent results. The smooth motion makes the process look effortless. This tool brings speed and precision to the kitchen. Auto-Retracting cable management tool. Cables can quickly turn into a mess, but this tool fixes that instantly. With one click, cables retract neatly into place. It keeps floors clean and reduces tripping hazards. Perfect for homes, offices, and workshops. Simple, clean, and very satisfying to use. Smart Privacy Window Film. This special window film switches between clear and opaque at the press of a button. It provides instant privacy without curtains or blinds. Modern, stylish, and convenient. Perfect for homes and offices. This tool feels futuristic and practical at the same time. Magnetic Retrieval and Sorting Tool. This magnetic tool attracts metal parts quickly and easily. Screws and bolts stick instantly, making cleanup fast. Ideal for workshops and garages. It saves time and prevents lost hardware. Small but powerful, this tool is incredibly useful. Pipe engraving and marking tool. Engraving metal pipes used to be difficult, but this tool makes it easy. It marks pipes clearly and accurately without manual effort, perfect for identification and organization. Professionals use it for clean and readable markings. Precision is guaranteed. Dust cleaning and restoration sponge. This sponge removes dust and dirt gently without damaging surfaces. Furniture looks fresh again in seconds. No harsh chemicals needed. It's simple, effective, and satisfying to use. A small tool that delivers big results. Precision Angle Measuring Tool. This tool helps measure perfect angles quickly and accurately. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and very precise. Woodworkers and builders rely on it for flawless cuts. It removes guesswork from projects. With this tool, accuracy becomes simple and reliable. Some of these tools were unbelievable. Others were pure geniuses. Comment below and tell us which one you'd actually buy. This is AU Techverse. See you next time.